I guess I'll just take a look at my relay. My relay here. You guys know what SoFi Relay is? No, it's this giant, it's like this. It's like Mint, where you can go ahead and see how everything's doing. I like to check up on all my little accounts here, see if everything's good. You guys ever check on your credit card accounts, make sure everything's, not being charged every once in a while? I guess some of you guys might want to keep your old accounts open. I'm personally not so much of a guy that's into that. I'd rather just close the account. I don't care about the hit on my credit. I got enough limit to take care of that. Well, not after the recent cards I've been getting, all these freaking charge cards, but yeah, should be good. I guess I got the Venture X that's propping me up. Big break 30K limit. Well, looking at this freaking all of my credit accounts, I can see there's just a little bit of charges on some of them. I don't really use all of them, guys. Most of them just hang out in my second wallet doing nothing. I'm focusing on that Amex Platinum sign-up bonus. 150,000 membership rewards points, and that's where my charges are going. So we are going to look around here, I guess, some more and see. Well, there's a 360 checking account I got open and a bunch of other accounts. Well, here's the thing, guys. I got a bunch of accounts open. I was watching RJ Financial. I was saying, that guy's super chill, bro. Definitely always in black, you know what I mean? That guy's so fresh. But I was watching RJ Financial, and he was talking a little bit about bank account bonuses. So I don't know about you guys, but I thought that was a little interesting. And I went ahead and signed up for a PNC bank account. It's been good, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, we just freaking got it. I got the bonus. Like right now. Like literally right freaking now. I got my $400 bonus. Wow. I just sat down. What is it, 9:23 p.m.? Cool. That's what that is, guys. It's a freaking put $5,000 of direct deposit in there, and you can get a $400 bonus. So I thought that was sick, bro. I went ahead and, RJ Financial. I watched you do it, and I went ahead and did it myself. And I just got that. I got $5,400 in there. I could show you, but I'm just telling you right now. So I see $5,400. That's super sick. I guess that works. I just made $400. That's so exciting, man. Crazy, man. So now I got to figure out. So now that I got that, I guess we'll go over to PNC and let's pull the money out. I'm gonna get rid of that account. I don't need it anymore. I originally just got it for the bonus, guys. That's the whole point of this. So it's time to get rid of this freaking account. So I like to, put in my little passcode here. I'm gonna get rid of this account by transferring everything out to whatever bank it came to. Oh wait, I think. Let's just see. I set up some sort of fund transfer here. Let me just make sure. Make an external transfer. Now, jeez, I'm getting freaking hot in here, dude. Damn, it's freaking hot in here. Give me. Oh. All right, let's see. Well, let's see. PNC 5,403 cents. Going to there's my checking. There it is. 54.003. Going from my PNC account back to SoFi. That's right, guys. I went from SoFi to PNC. I guess it works. So we're gonna go ahead and suck all that money out. No fee. We'll just go ahead and get that done. Get that done. So it's giving me a little message. I'll go ahead and fix that later, but. Yeah, that's super exciting. Talking about bank account bonuses here. I got my Wells Fargo checking account. Jeez. Got my Wells Fargo checking account. I got that checking account because I'm locally around a Wells Fargo branch. I like to use them to put my money inside, How else are you going to slide your money into this entire system? I got to have some sort of bank, some sort of way to not direct deposit, but deposit my money. So I got a Wells Fargo 360 checking account. But you got to realize, I'm also going ahead and getting that bonus on the 360 checking account too. And this bonus is a $325 bonus. It's going to be great. I'm pretty freaking excited, man. You know, it's nice not having to spend money to get bonuses. You know, maybe cashback, team cashback. You might be onto something here. I think RJ Financial has got one of the best channels out there. You know, getting the most value for the least amount of effort. And, well, I should say effort, but least amount of spending. You know, spending for money is definitely something, or spending for value, shall I say, is definitely a slippery slope. You know, I know there's people out there that'll go ahead and spend a lot more than they would normally spend, just so they can get that 90K ink, or maybe that 150,000 membership awards points platy. I don't know, man. Got to be careful out there. But so I got that $325 bonus coming through, so that's pretty dang good, I gotta say. You know, I checked my Amex referrals today. I thought that was really exciting. I've been nailing these referrals on the Amex Platinum and Gold. I hope you guys are getting it for the right reasons. You know, I really try to promote cards I really think are going to be solid, but you know, it's up to the user to go ahead and use them correctly. But I'm just going to log into my Amex account here and show you guys what I've done when we're talking referrals. That's quite a lot, okay? I'm looking at a lot. So this is 2024, and since 2024, I've earned a couple more, okay? I just got a couple more and I got 3. Holy shoot, I got 3 today. Okay, so, let me readjust. So, guys, it's crazy to say this, but I've officially maxed out the Amex Platinum. So I got 100,000 membership awards points from the Platinum, so you get 15,000 points each referral. And then after that, the last referral is only 10,000 points because, you know, it's 15 times, 6 or something like that is 90K. Plus you got to get that last one, which is 10K, so that's 100K. I'm done with the Amex Platinum. If you guys click on the link to learn more about the Amex Platinum in any of my videos now, you're going to see it's not going to be, you know, the referral link here. I could just leave it to the OG referral link, but you know, now it's going to the affiliate network I'm partnered with. I think that could be better, but I don't think anyone's going to use it anyway because it's just a 90 or what is it? It's just an 80K link, you know. Probably don't use that if you really want to support the channel, then sure, but that would be too much. You don't need to do that. So the other 50K are Amex Gold signups. So I got 50K since January 1st. That is a solid amount of membership awards points. Now, might as well use them for you guys because I feel like these are community membership awards points here. You know, if I'm going to go ahead and, you know, get supported, I want to make sure that you guys get enough value or equal value out of these points. You know, let's just call it, there are points. I mean, I guess I own them, but I want to show you how I use them too. I feel like I owe it to you. So that's super exciting. See that in there. Moving on down, I guess. Now, so I broke up my emergency fund into a couple different things here. So this has to do with back with that PNC bonus. You know the PNC bonus? So I actually sucked $5,000. I took $5,000 out of my emergency fund to fund that bank account, and I normally wouldn't do this, but since it's just a cash account that I'm funding here, I don't see it as any issue. So I got to go ahead and get that $5,000 out of the PNC account and back into my Marcus emergency fund. See, I like to keep it in Marcus instead of SoFi, which is, you know, I use SoFi for everything here, but I have my emergency fund and my house down deposit fund in Marcus because, well, first I originally just signed up with Marcus, but also it's nice to just have it in a separate account. You know, I don't want to go ahead and touch all that and mess everything up. You know, I don't want it to be convenient to take money out, is what I'm saying. So I leave it over there. Got a couple of CDs running here. I'm trying to figure out the whole CD ladder thing. You know, you guys know when you just, you know, take an account and you create a CD for like 3 months, and then maybe like the next 3 months you do another CD, and these are all expiring in like let's just say 6 to 12 months kind of CDs, you know. So you could just cycle through your entire like emergency fund with a bunch of CDs that are all maturing 3 months apart. Right? Does that make sense? And you can earn a little bit more than the APY on these savings accounts. I think that's pretty exciting. I haven't really figured it out. I haven't done it. I know you can do it in Fidelity too, and they'll like manage it for you. But, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm still figuring it out. You know, I gotta get that emergency fund into one place. Right now, it's all kind of messed up. I got a CD for the emergency fund. I got a house CD with like $3K in it. I only got $3,500 in the house account. Oh man, I want to buy a house someday. And I got $12K in the emergency fund. Well, that's the CD that I have. I just opened this one CD and threw everything in there. Bad idea. Shouldn't have done that. But I saved myself $5K in just the regular vanilla emergency fund account. Plus, I got that $5K in PNC. So I got like a $22K about emergency fund, and I feel like that's pretty good. You know, I'm trying to save up like 12 months so I can, you know, I don't know. I just want to feel good. You know what I mean? Some people say 3 to 6 months, but I'm okay with sitting on cash. It makes me feel good. And I think it's about feeling here. You know, you can't really follow all the rules and the numbers, and I think it's all about how you feel deep down. And that's the thing it just makes me feel good. So I guess moving on here. Got a bunch of credit cards to pay. Those are all going to get paid, of course. None of those are going to be racking up interest. You know, I'm not going to be an interest kind of guy. You know, but. Yeah, that was kind of weird. $59 in the Ultimate Awards card. Oh, that's my Sapphire Reserve. Yeah, I probably accidentally I think I might have put one dining expense on there. I think I wanted 3x back. What did I do? I probably put some sort of dining expense on there. I don't know exactly, but yeah, because I'm using my Platinum for everything. As you guys know, I was just looking for it. As you guys know, I'm trying to get that 150K membership rewards points sign-up bonus. Ah, jeez, that's insane, you guys. You guys realize that also in December I maxed that card. Referral is out too, so I just got 200K on top of that. It's freaking insane, dude. And I mean, it's all from this organic YouTube channel. I just created a couple of videos. One of them is the one kind of driving it all. You know, I show you guys how to get the 150K sign-up bonus, and a lot of you guys went ahead and did that. It's insane. That's awesome, man. I appreciate it. You know, if we can all get out here and get some value and get some travel, you know, as long as we stick within our means, it should be good for everyone. So I guess that's nice. I got this 360 checking account I'm looking at too. That one's kind of weird. I don't know about you guys, but I got sent to collections. Now hear me out. It's a little weird. I got this letter in the mail. It was kind of weird. So I just moved from Chicago to New York last year in the summer, and ComEd, which is the utility company for Chicago area, sent me this letter. I got this letter it was actually from the agency, the collections agency. I was like, they basically are like, yo, you have like $50 or you have like $37 or something like that of unpaid like electricity bills or something. And I was like, yo, what are you freaking talking about? And so I logged in to my account, and it showed zero. Everything looked good. And I was so confused because I definitely am so organized in that way. Like, I definitely paid it, you know. So I just didn't think anything. I didn't think twice of it. And I just wrote a check and mailed it to this freaking collections agency because I didn't want to, you know, damage my credit or anything. And dude, like 3 months have gone by, and I've been keeping this 360 checking account open because this is what I was originally using for banking way back. And I kept that open. I was gonna close it, but I kept it open so I can write this check because that's the only kind of checks that I had at the time. And it's still at $52. I threw $50 in there to pay my $37 check, and it's still, dude, it's at $52.73. It's literally going up in interest. Like, I have not touched this account in a while, and I guess that collections agency hasn't charged my account yet. It's been 3 months, so. Waiting on that to close out that account, but yeah, it's definitely a tough time right now. You know, I don't understand what's going on there, but yeah. And then of course I'm looking at my student loans. You know, I think the reality about those is they're going to get closed out soon, especially because Bilt just released the 3% charge if you want to use a credit card to pay your rent. So I think that's definitely fine. You know, I was originally going to pay 2.9% with plastic to go ahead and hit a sign-up bonus on some sort of MasterCard. Yeah, that's too gamer for me, man. Because sometimes you just gotta take it chill, you know. Take it easy. If you go too hard into the game, it might bite you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close out these accounts. I gotta pay them. I got the freaking money in another SoFi vault in my savings account. Like, what is it, 73K or something like that? It's pretty good, but yeah, I mean, we'll see how I am, man. I'm just trying to document all this, see what goes on, you know. It's pretty sick. I'm pretty freaking excited, man. I hope you guys can freaking start saving too. I think it's so fun if you create like a little game for yourself, man. It's freaking sick. I like to divide my paycheck and everything, you know. I got my, what is it, like 60% going into my checking and 40% going into some sort of savings. It's great. If you guys haven't done that, that's the first thing I would do. Is if you haven't saved, I don't know, $3,000, maybe let's just start with $1,000, man. I don't want to baby you guys. $3,000. If you haven't saved $3,000, I think you should try to do that. You want to know how you do that? You can just open some sort of high yield savings account and go to your employer and just try to split up that paycheck, man. Just get a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot, man. Just go like 3%. You know, after a little bit, it will get bigger and bigger. You know, so that's kind of how I started. I just started slow. Dude, I was freaking working 2 jobs, taking 6 classes. I had like a negative 15K net worth. And this was like 2 years ago. I'm just sharing my experience, man. It's freaking exciting. I wonder what's going to happen. I'm trying to buy a house. I'm paying a lot of rent. And I guess if you guys want to freaking watch me do the whole entire thing, I think you might as well subscribe. Why not? Stick around for the journey. So, yeah. Save your money, man. Once you find out what it's for, go ahead and try to save it. I think if you... what? We'll figure that out. Once you figure out what you want to save for, you know, it's going to be a lot easier. A lot easier to save. That's how it goes, man. So, that's kind of it, man. I got a lot of membership rewards points. I got that freaking money in the PNC account. I'm trying to take it out, and yeah, SoFi's doing all right. I got to get my emergency fund back together, and maybe I won't do it again. I guess that's it. Have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.